Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I am making up an icebox, no bake, pumpkin cheesecake. Okay, we love this. The only downfall about it is you have to let it set up. I'm making mine the night before. That way it has plenty of time to set in the refrigerator. But a lot of times I like to just stick mine in the freezer for a good 4 or 5 hours because I like mine nice and firm. But you can definitely let it set overnight in the fridge if you want. It's just like a cheesecake, it just gets better as it sits. The crust gets, a better texture to it, and the cheese and the pumpkin sets up nice and firm for you. But it's not like a regular cheesecake. It's a no bake, so, but it's something, you don't got to turn the oven on. You don't got to put no eggs or nothing in it. It's just simple. It's very simple. So here in my bowl, and everything you need will be in the description, okay? Here in my bowl, I have some graham cracker crumbs. I'm going to add in my cinnamon there. Brown sugar. And we'll just get this mixed up. Now I'm going to add in my melted butter. Just make sure everything's mixed up there. And we're just going to stir this up just until everything's combined. Okay, just make sure everything's nice and moistened. Then I have an 8x8 pan here. I just stuck my clothespins on it to hold it in place. I just have a piece going across and then one going across this way of some parchment. That way we can pull it out when it's done. Your parchment on the sides will become your little handle. That way it's easier cutting. You don't have to do it that way. I like to, just to make it easier. We're just going to pour that in there. And you don't have to bake it. Just make sure all those crumbs are coated. And just get it evenly spread out here. I just want to get this even as I can here. And then what you'll do is just get you a, I'm using just a regular old glass, and just kind of press it down in there, get it nice and smooth. But you got the idea. Okay, I have that nice and packed down in there. And now we're going to go ahead and, here Curtis, you want to set that on the stove? Easy, don't set it down hard. And we're going to whip us up some cream here. Can you plug that mixer in there, please? Just some good old heavy whipping cream. I got 3/4 of a cup in there. Can you hand me that, please? Now I'm just going to beat this up till stiff peaks, just a couple of minutes. And we'll be back. Okay. Now see there, you get little stiff peaks. Just don't overdo it, because you'll turn it into butter. It shouldn't take no more than a couple minutes. It just depends on how high you're doing it. Get that off the, I got mine on pretty high. Get off there. Okay. I'm going to get these out of here because I got to mix up my pumpkin and my cheese here. And let me get this out of the way here. Okay, we got that cream cheese out of the way. Now I have my 2 8-ounce blocks there of my cream cheese. I'm going to add my sugar, my vanilla, Some of that sugar sticking to the bottom. I guess my bowl was a little wet. And we're just going to beat this up. Now make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature, because you don't want to try to beat up cold cream cheese. It takes forever. But like right now it's nice and soft, so it shouldn't take long. Okay. I mix that up about a minute, just till it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add our pumpkin. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. That. And our spices. Curtis, why am I whispering?
I don't know.
And we're just going to get this mixed up till it's all mixed together. Okay. Now we're going to add our cream that we whipped a while ago, our heavy cream. And you're just going to fold that in there. You don't want to go stir crazy with it. I know a lot of us get all excited and don't pay attention and just start stirring, but just down the middle and turn it over. Just until you see no more streaks. Get all that cream mixed in. Okay. We're done, just about. We just got to freeze it or refridge, whatever one you want to do. Just fill this up. We'll get it spread out. Get it in the fridge. I'm scraping it all out. Get it all out, guys. So we're going to spread this out, as I said. Pop it in the fridge. But I may wake up later on and do a few hours in the freezer. I'm just going to make sure everything's even, guys. And we will see you guys after a while. Okay, my friends, there are the no-bake cheesecake pumpkin bars. I did chill them overnight. They've been in there for a long time. And I cut them up. If you want a clean cut, each cut you do, wipe your knife. And these are nice and chilled. You could top them with some graham cracker crumbs and some... I had that, what is it called? Ready Whip. I didn't have any more of that cream left, so I just put Ready Whip on them. And that star tip would not work on these things, so I apologize for that. But you could do Cool Whip, make your own sweet cream or the Ready Whip, and then just drizzle some more. You don't even have to do that if you don't want to, but I like it like that. But I'll go ahead and take a bite with y'all. Look at there. Those are so good. And so easy. You just got to wait for it to set up for you. But mine stayed in overnight. And they are really, really good. And easy. But there they are. Everything is in the description box, which you'll be needing. Please help support my channel by subscribing. Hitting that notification bell that gives you alerts on my next uploads. And until next time, we will see you guys later. Stay blessed. Love y'all. Bye-bye.